universe unfold in your hands.
Hi everyone. If you want to know what is your person thinking about you right now and what is going on in their mind, then this reading is for you. Right in front of you, there are two piles, pile number 1 and pile number 2. Close your eyes, take a deep breath and think of that person while you're choosing the pile, okay? Okay, let's start with the first one. Let's see what is your person thinking about you and what are their true feelings currently. Okay, right now your partner really wants to give you the same efforts that you have been putting for the long time now, and they also want to be really generous with you. You can expect that right now in their mind. They either want to gift you something or they want to put the same amount of efforts that you have been wanting them to put for the long time. They want to be generous with you because, as you can see, there are two people and this person is being very generous when they're giving. This person is going to be very open with you in terms of feelings. They're going to tell you what is going on in their mind. You can also expect a lot of confession, appreciation coming from their side. So your partner is going to really spoil you with a lot of words because they're done receiving. Right now they just want to give you this. They truly see your worth. They truly see who you are. Okay, I hope you can see the card. It's the Lover's card. Your partner has true feelings for you and it's a deep soulmate connection, and they truly feel that. Right now in your partner's mind, it's very strong attachment, very strong attraction as well. Your partner is feeling very drawn towards you and there are very good chances, very good possibility that they're looking at your pictures. They are trying to maybe record you when you meet, or they like to do that. They are literally thinking about you a lot non-stop right now. You are on their mind and they feel like after so long they've liked somebody who is truly worthy of all these things. Maybe their past relationships were not that good, but when they're with you, they feel very complete. They have sense of satisfaction that have finally met the kind of person they have been always wanting to get. And deep down, you are also somebody who is going to bring out the best version of themselves. They've never met somebody like you. You both are, although very different from each other, you don't have a lot of interest when it comes to love, but the way you are, the way you put efforts, you have truly changed the definition of love for them. That's why they want to spoil you. That's why they want to love you a lot and give the same amount of efforts, because they feel like you truly deserve it and you've made this person a completely different person. Because you can understand, and also you will realize when you first met this person they were very different, but now when you're with them they're completely different. They are truly grateful for the kind of person you've made this person be. You have brought a lot of balance in their life, and they have also like a homely feeling. When they talk to you, they feel like they're at home. They feel so comfortable talking to you. Let's see what are they currently thinking about you. One more guidance and then we're done. Okay, things are going to move forward in this connection. If you are in a relationship, you can expect long-term marriage. If you are looking for engagement, then you can expect to have a family. Or maybe if you're just talking to each other, this person, somebody new in your life, then you can also expect a lot of movement is going to happen. Progress is going to happen in a relationship. Wherever you are, things are going to departure and arrive at a beautiful station. Okay, so overall things are really good for you. Even if it does not resonate with the current situation, you feel like, I don't know if that person is thinking about me like that, but these thoughts are inner thoughts, what is going on in their mind. So these are the unsaid messages for you. Claim the reading, engage with the video. That was your reading for the pile number 1, and let's move on to the pile number 2. let's see what is your person thinking about you right now. Okay, this person might be very slow when it comes to taking efforts, when it comes to taking decision, and you can see this person is just looking, not doing anything. That's how your person is right now. But in order to understand why is this person so slow when it comes to taking efforts, when it comes to taking decision, is because they want everything in their life to be long term. They don't want to do anything casual. So if they're going to put efforts, they're going to commit to something, they want it that it should last lifelong. They want to see everything as an investment. That if they're going to invest in this connection, they're going to invest in this relationship, it should be worthy of it. Okay? So they want sustainable relationships because their efforts might be slow, but when they truly put in efforts, they do it like nobody else. Okay? What do they think about you now? Okay, I feel like they also feel like you are somebody who has high standards, who wants a good relationship, because maybe because of your past relationships, what you have been through. They feel like you want somebody who's very passionate, you want that energy to keep it sustainable, you want that friendliness, you want things to go very smooth, you want to be there for your person, because you are also somebody who is really, you can also be somebody who really prefers old school love, or your partner prefers old school love. Okay, let's dive more into it. What is happening right now in their mind? What are they thinking about you? Okay, they want to offer you something. Maybe a proposal is going to come, because they are a dreamer. They think about you a lot. You are on their mind. They're going to surprise you with maybe intuitive message. I feel like if message is not coming, or you have been waiting for when is this person going to express to me, or you are waiting for somebody to text, you can expect message to come. Okay, but this message is going to be very intuitive. When they feel right, they're going to take the action. Okay, because they want to come forward, they want to take the right decision as well, because you have high standards. That is what we are understanding with the situation. Okay, in coming days, this person is going to get clarity about this connection. Like, where do they want things to go? How do they want things to go? Because they are planning something for you. Also for them as well. They want to know how they want this relationship to work out. This person is trying to find ideas, how to reach out and how they should do it. You can expect reconciliation as well. So if you're somebody who, if you are in a no contact situation, you both are separated, then you can also expect a reconciliation. And if you are together, expect that you both are going to spend a lot of time together. As you can see, the family is happy, they're spending time together. So quality time is coming, relationship is coming. And one thing is very sure, that your partner is also expecting a lot of support from you. So be patient with them is what I'll say. Wow, not even one reflective energy is there, all positive cards. Universe is telling you that this is where your relationship, you will see hope. This time things are going to be very calm. And not only that, this is something that is part of you. You have done something really good in your life in order to achieve that. If you're single, also expect this love life for you coming, what is coming for you as well. So these are things that are going to resonate with you. Your partner is feeling really hopeful about you. You just make this person feel that everything's aligning beautifully, and they really want to spend a lot of time with you together, and they're getting clarity. They want to message you a lot, but when they're going to come with clarity. You will not feel confused about this person anymore. This person is going to be very clear with their actions. You will understand more. Over, so both the readings were about love and it was about clarity. And your partner is also stalking your social media as well. Your partner is trying to wait as well. a lot of communication, there's thirst for communication. Your partner even likes your voice, they like to talk to you. The way you talk to them, nobody talks. When you talk to them, I feel like you're very open. This person feels like, okay, I can also share all these things. Maybe I should also tell what's happening in my day. This partner loves to share details, and they also love hearing what's happening in your life. So communication is going to be a very big part of this relationship. So never stop doing that thing. Okay? So that is it for today's reading for both the piles. Please like the video, engage with the video if it helped you gain clarity, and if you want a personalized reading, the details will be mentioned in the description box and in the end of the video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.